Welcome to Catia-Tutorial series. Today we are going to design the one piston as you are seeing now. Let us start with the part design. Now we are going to design the one piston in Catia software with these dimensions. First of all, we need to draw the one horizontal. Let us go to the Catia section. I will explain how to draw one by one. Let us start. Part design. Again, part design. Then click OK. Yeah, it's open. Now we need to select the YZ plane and then sketch and draw the one horizontal line with dimension or else start from here. Draw the and give the dimension 92 divided by 2. Yeah. Again we need to draw the one horizontal vertical line with 5 mm distance. Then click OK. Then again a horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line. Then we need to give the dimensions now here. This horizontal length is 7 mm and then this vertical height is 2 mm. Again we need to check here. See here, 95 mm hole. Then 85 minus 92 minus 85 is 7 will be remain. And then here too we need to draw the another 45 minus 7 means 38. We need to draw this horizontal line should be in vertical line is 35. 38 mm. We can check here it is in 45 or not. Perfect, it is in 45 mm. Then again we need to draw the same 7 mm distance, 7 mm width, horizontal line 2 mm. Now we can draw and I will explain how to draw. Select the line command and draw the horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. They said 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 7 mm. This vertical line is 2 mm. And then this gap This is 3. Then this vertical line is 2. And then this vertical line is 3. This is 3. This is 2. And last one is the mentioned as same dimension 2 mm. Again we need to delete this one, this horizontal line, because we need to draw the one curve. With the height is 65. You can check here 62. It means 65 up to here. Okay, 65 is perfect. They didn't mention they mentioned radius here. See side view. The mentioned radius is 189. Let's draw. Select the points. $189. Yeah, it's okay. Perfect. Now we need to check the diagram. It's closed or not. Yeah, you can check it is closed. Then exit from the workbench, revolve, and then C. Control Z. Then select the. Now we need to use your shell. Okay, we will draw the circle with they mentioned with 74. Draw the one circle. Diameter is 74. Select the two circles and then coincident. Then click OK. Exit from workbench. Pocket up to 62. Preview. Yeah, it's okay. Then click OK. Now we need to draw the. You need to create one duplicate plane. (92 divided by 2). 46 mm. Perfect. It comes at center point. Select the plane. Then sketch. Then draw the circles. They mentioned 36 diameter and 22. First of all, we need to draw the 36 diameter. Then we need to mention dimension. Then click OK. Exit from workbench. Pad, mirror, preview. Then sketch to review. Again draw the same place with 22 diameter, or they mentioned what they mentioned, yeah, 22. You need to draw the 22 diameter. Then click OK. Now we need to mention here dimensions. It is 26. Yeah. Then exit from workbench. Pocket, mirror, preview. It's not visible. Preview. Yeah. Now we need to select the top view. Sketch. They mentioned 50. We need to draw the 150 square. Select the center rectangle and then draw the it means 50. Then exit from workbench. Pocket, reverse direction, preview, then click OK. Yeah, it's perfect. You can check here, but we forget this circle on outer side. Okay, we'll make it now, not an issue. Or else we need to charm for this one. Preview, click OK. Ctrl Z, or else preview, Ctrl Z, up to 5. Yeah, perfect. Same apple. Click OK. Yeah, we completed the design of piston. If you want to see cut section of piston, we select this command and then drag as you want. Drag it. This side view. Yeah, you can see the cut section. It is in perfect. Yeah. Or now we are going to add the material to this part. Select this command, apply material command. You can see here construction, fiber, metal, other, painting, sharp review, stone, wood, different types of materials are available in this command. You can select any one. Just now I am going to apply metal and aluminum. I selected aluminum. Select the part, then apply material, then click OK. Now we need to change here this one. You can see materials are uploaded to piston. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, do subscribe to my channel.